Our Bali adventure starts today.
I can't wait to go! This airport is huge. Look at those planes! Ha! Let's remember this moment.
Everyone ready?
The journey was beginning.
That's our plane!
We're going to Bali.
Soon they were flying.
The clouds look soft.
Who wants a snack? Bali was getting closer.
We finally made it! It's so beautiful here.
Everything looks different. The island looked amazing. This place is wonderful.
Look at the pool! These flowers are beautiful.
The sand feels warm. The ocean sparkled brightly.
I'm building a castle. Look what I found.
Let's make it bigger!
This is relaxing. The sunset is beautiful.
The food smells delicious.
This tastes great. I love this juice. The market was full of color. These are lovely. Everything is so colorful. These carvings are amazing.
Let's learn about Bali!
Bali!
The temple was beautiful. This carving tells the story of our ancestors and the spirits.
I'm learning so much. These fields are huge.
The scenery was breathtaking.
Smile for the camera.
Everyone say cheese! This is fun.
The fish are hungry. They're so pretty.
Look at that waterfall!
The waterfall was magnificent.
This is so much fun.
The water is so calm.
A beautiful morning began.
I see dolphins.
This is incredible!
What a wonderful trip.
These memories are amazing.
I'm taking this home.
Let's take one last photo.
Their first Bali trip was unforgettable.